I'm Charlotte and I am a brand rep for the Glam Shack. So I thought I'd do a little video today just to show you what I've been up to with them. They sent me a little PR package which I love, it's so cute. Today was their first ever product reveal, product launch today, which is the Glam Tan Whip in dark I have here. I also have Ultra Dark, which was sprayed on me last week when we did the shoot, which I will show you the footage later. There's going to be a little bit of behind the scenes clips, pictures, things like that. So this is the tan. It is available to buy for £15 in their salons, which are in Peterborough and Bedford, and there's also an online website where you can purchase it. It literally has so much staying power. I feel like it stays on so well. Normally, like, my tans wash off very fast, and I am very, very pale normally. I'm literally pure white. So I also got some little business cards to give to friends and family to spread the word. I have a little note that says, "Charlotte, thanks so much for working with us. Enjoy. Tag us in your stories. Love you, Glam Shack brand rep." How cute is that? Very cute. We have some little sweets, Parma violets and love hearts. Very cute. And we have some little hair clips as well. Can you see those? They are so cute. Then there's one of these which are always handy when you want all your hair like back off your face, to put your makeup on or off. Really, really soft. Colour is cute as well. We have the Glam Shack coffee mug, which I'll probably have like herbal tea, hot chocolate or alcohol in. And I have a voucher to put myself in for something, which I'm not sure yet. I've been thinking possibly get my nails done, get some nice acrylics. And then we have the brand rep Bible, which I think this is really sweet. So it's little tips for us, things like that, social media tips and planning. You can plan things in the back as well. I like that. Very cute, very handy, little ideas. So thank you very much. I really like
them off of your shoulder. I can feel it getting louder. Can't keep our feet in the ground for much longer. They wanna close the lights, come up but no way. So follow me and we can hit the runway. Break it down now, shake the ground now. Wanna hear you scream loud. Put the cat down, put the cat down, put the cat down, put the cat down. Let's take off tonight. Going in so hard that the world can't take us out on the side. Say goodbye and we disappear. Let's take off tonight. Going in so hard that the world can't take us. Can't take us, can't take us. Gone from the atmosphere. The heat is rising, getting wilder. All the ladies look like a damn poster. Grab your girlfriend, pull her closer. Make her ride it, roller coaster. They can try to shut this down, but no way, but no way. We're taking off, it's time to clear the runway. Break it down now, shake the ground now. Wanna hear you scream loud. Put the cat down, put the cat down.
I know who you came here to see. If you a freak, then you come on with me. And I know what you came
side chick. Shake for a shake, I'm throwing these Emirates in the sky. Spinning this Assalamu alaikum, peace to M-O-N-E-Y. I love my beaches, south beaches, surfboard and high tide. I can just roll up, cause I'm swole up. So that birthday cake get the Cobra. Bugatti for real, I'm Cobra. That autobiography rover. Got the key to my city, it's over. No thoughts, only in the color covers. I said rackets, ratchets, hold up.
I said rackets, ratchets, hold up.
I know you came here to see. If you a freak, then you come home with me. And I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open, let me see you get loose. It's going down for real. It's going down for real. And they already know me. It's going down further than famous. Girls get wetter than Katrina. Yeah, my girl, you never seen her. Cause my tins by limousines. My touch say it's the Midas. We the plus, your man, the minus. My team blowing on that slam. Make you cough, that's bronchitis. Put your hands up. It's a stick up, no more makeup. Get that on the floor, ladies. Put your lipstick up. Double entendre, double entendre. Why you hating? I get money, then I double up conquers. I know you came here to see. If you a freak, then you come home with me. And I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open, let me see you get loose. It's going down for real.